Hey, what's going on? And right now I gotta haul some serious ass because I don't have much time left on here, so I gotta hurry. If you can't tell already, I'm obviously opening Bowman Chrome here. Look for Steven Strasburg autograph. I can't figure that it'd be worth too damn much anymore. Pretty sure I'll be able to buy more of these boxes since not everyone's like fucking old gung-ho about getting a Strasburg, you know. It's like trying to find the golden ticket. Oh my god, I gotta find it. I'm gonna go out and buy every single fucking pack available. If I don't find a Strasburg, I'll just throw it in the trash. Damn, these things are hard to open. Or maybe I'm just rushing. Ew. Ryan Dumpster. Davidson. Checklist. Ooh. Number two, what's number two? David Wright, yeah. Oh god, another Cub. Keeping it. What the hell's wrong with this card? Hey, take a look at this. There's like a dust or something all over it, see? I wonder where that's from. Yeah, look at that. Probably can't tell, but yeah, it's there. Weird. Really weird. Oh shit, I'm running out of time. Bastard. Yeah. Ain't funny anymore. Ooh. Another Cub. How about that? It's numbered, well, you see what it's numbered anyway. Tops 100, Nolan Arenado, something like that. And that's a refractor. Sweet. Oh, he's young too. Let's hope he becomes one badass third baseman. This can make you some money. One thing I've never been too crazy about these is you get pros. I don't really want the pros here. I'm just after the rookies. Now I'm running out of time, so I'll just have to open the rest up off camera, then show you guys what I got. Okay, well, finished opening them, and let's say, you know, the other thing worth showing you guys is that there purple refractor, numbered 397 out of 899. Oh, and I got a mic leak. Even though he wasn't that good, I thought I'd still show it to you. And I kind of got upset because the last pack I opened was this. And I got a double. Because I opened that earlier in that jumbo pack. So, I'll try to sell that one. Now this came in the jumbo pack. These exclusive X fractors. Take a look, shall we? Mono Rodriguez, Will Myers, something something. These of course aren't numbered, but I don't know who any of these guys are, but I'm hoping one of these guys here will be worth something. They're all pretty damn young, so it's very well possible.